Hi folks, thanks for stopping by. Just going to do a quick one for you. Going to convert a standard neck tube, buff, neck gaiter, whatever you call them, into a basic face covering, which is better than no face covering at all. So, all I'm going to do, get your neck cut buff, fold it in half, like so. Okay, yes, you could use that on its own, and that is better than absolutely nothing as far as some form of face covering. However, to make it a little bit better and to act as a slight filter, I'm just going to add one of these. All this is a piece of kitchen cloth which I've cut out into this rough shape. Just use a basic general purpose kitchen cloth. This will act as a slight filter, and then all you do, quite simply, take your cloth, open up one side like that, place your cloth in there like that, feed it up so it's nice and flat, making sure the top of the cloth is up at the top of your neck buff, like that. Okay, and then all you do, put that on as normal, grab hold of the filtery parts of the, just to hold it down, and there you go. This is not as good as a medical grade face mask, but it's better than nothing. It's cheap, it's quick, it's easy. Cheers. See you soon.